higher the version, enhance the performance. Hi, myself Divanshi and welcome to the future with Android 16.0 version recently launched by Gladwin, which comes with RK3576 chipset, which delivers the faster processing and gives you the enhanced usage. So as you can see, this is my screen and I'll be briefing you the features which has been there in this panel. प्रीवियस वीडियोस में हम लोगों ने काफी सारे फीचर्स डिस्कस किए थे बट ये वीडियो प्रीवियस वीडियो से बहुत अलग होने वाली है. द रीजन बिहाइंड इज इन दिस वीडियो हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ एआई फीचर्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So first of all, this is my home screen and in the RK panel Android 16 हम लोगों ने AI का फीचर होम स्क्रीन पे ही लॉन्च किया है. आपको व्हाइट बोर्ड में भी AI के फीचर्स मिलेंगे बट उसके अलावा यू वुड बी गेटिंग द फीचर्स ऑन दी होम स्क्रीन एज वेल. So first, if I'll click over here, you can see the feature for the AI. Let me zoom in the screen so that you can see the features very clearly. So first of all, circle scan. What circle scan means? अगर मैं किसी भी वर्ड को अपने होम स्क्रीन पे या अपनी कहीं किसी भी स्क्रीन पे सर्कल करती हूँ तो it will be giving me all the information regarding that particular word which I have encircled. So as you can see, मैंने white board पर सर्कल किया था और व्हाइट बोर्ड से रिलेटेड जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो सारी आपके गूगल पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो गई है. सो इन दिस वे आप किसी भी अगर वर्ड को सर्कल करते हो या किसी भी आइकन को सर्कल करते हो, यू कैन गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन विद इन सेकेंड्स. Next, we have an option for the AI Q&A, which works like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. अगर आप इसमें कोई भी इक्वेशन या कोई भी क्वेश्चन लिखते हो तो इट कैन बी गेट रिजॉल्व विद इन सेकेंड्स. लेट्स सपोज अगर मैं यहाँ पे कोई भी इक्वेशन लिखती हूँ 2x plus 7x एंड आई गिव द कमांड ऑफ सॉल्व. So इसमें within seconds you will be getting the solution for this equation 2x plus 7x, so 9x. And even if you want to insert this on the whiteboard, इस feature पे click कर आप इसको whiteboard पर भी insert कर सकते हो in this way, where you can zoom in, zoom out, and even if you want to further explain this video, you can even explain this equation like this. So this is how the things could be done by this AI feature. Then we have an option for the audio translate. What audio translate means? From here, you need to just see the language. Let's suppose if I want to convert English into the Korean and I'll click on start. So the moment I'll start, it will be just starting it. So I have to give the command. The microphone is there, so as you can see, whenever I'm speaking something, it is automatically converting it into the Korean language. So this is how the audio translate means, in which you can just translate the language into the another language by using the AI feature. Let's move ahead. Then in the AI, we do have an option for the video recap. If you have some saved video in your panel, you can just import that video and the video summary would be there on the panel. So this is how you can use the AI features which are there on the home screen. Now let's come to the features. Many apps are available in this panel, and the app which we are giving you, the special app is the Ergo DMS, in which you can have the centralized control for all the interactive flat panels which are there in different locations. So centralized control लेने के लिए you can just take this Ergo DMS application. Instead of that, all the applications are there. इस पैनल की एक खासियत और है कि जो प्ले स्टोर आपको मिलेगा दैट वुड बी EDLA सर्टिफाइड, जिसका बेनिफिट ये मिलता है कि आप कोई भी एप्लीकेशन को ईजिली अपने पैनल पे इंस्टॉल कर रन कर सकते हो विदाउट एनी कंपैटिबिलिटी इश्यूज. देन लेट्स कम टू द व्हाइट बोर्ड. एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि इस वीडियो में हम लोग सिर्फ AI फीचर्स पे ध्यान देने वाले हैं, तो लेट्स कम टू दी अगेन AI फीचर्स इन द व्हाइट बोर्ड. Let me clear the screen. So as you can see, it comes with an AI pen. Now let's explore the features which are there with us in the AI pen. If I am teaching about the human heart and I want an image regarding this, so it will automatically select the thing and will create the image as per my written word. So whatever I'll write on the whiteboard, whatever keyword I'll give it, it will generate the image accordingly as per the keyword given in the whiteboard. So as you can see, it's creating an image as per my content. So it may take few seconds or it may take few minutes. It depends on the Wi-Fi speeds of yours. So it is creating, and the human heart image has been created now. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out. Even if you want to write, you can write as well. Then we have an option of the quiz generation. Let's suppose if I am teaching about a tree word and I want a quiz to be generated. So what can I do? I'll create on the quiz master. It will ask me for some credentials, like for which grade I want, for which category, and how many questions I want. The moment I'll fill the credentials, it will give me the quiz. It will generate a quiz by using the AI option which is there. So as you can see, the quiz has been generated. If you want the answer, you can have the answer as well. So it has been given the, and even if you want to insert it on the whiteboard, you can insert on the whiteboard itself. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. Even if you want to write on this image, you can write as well. So this is how the things could be done. Now in the toolbox, we have given an option for the subject tools which were not there in our previous panels. So we have an option for the geometric, in which you can just plot a graph and you can explain the students about this graph. So just I need to point the inputs and the inputs would be coming over here as you can see on the screen. Same with the segment. If I'll make a segment like this, it will give me the input of the segment as well. So I need to make a proper segment so that it can give me the inputs. So you can see this is how the things could be done, and various options are there on the top as well, which a maths teacher can better understand. Then we have an option for again the subject tools. We have the formula. If you will write a formula, you can directly insert it on the whiteboard. Let's suppose if I'm writing something, it could be inserted on the whiteboard like this. So this is how you can insert it. Then we have an option in the subject tools. Functions and maps are there. Geography is there. Molecular formulas are there. So these things could be used. Then in this we have an option to insert the PDF as well. So if I'm having some my saved PDF, that could be inserted on the whiteboard. From the toolbox only, I'm having a quiz master again and a periodic table as well. So this is how the periodic table could be inserted. अगर आपके पास कोई फाइल गूगल ड्राइव में है और आपके पास वो पैनल में सेव नहीं है, तो आप डायरेक्टली गूगल ड्राइव से उस फाइल को अपने पैनल पे अपलोड कर सकते हो बाय यूजिंग द फीचर ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट. जैसे यू विल क्लिक ऑन द डॉक्यूमेंट फीचर, इट विल जस्ट मेक यू redirect on the Google Drive. So you need to sign in the mail ID and Google Drive से आप कोई भी वीडियो, कोई भी फाइल एक्सेस कर सकते हो अपने व्हाइट बोर्ड पर. From here, settings is there, जहाँ से मैं बैकग्राउंड का कलर चेंज कर सकती हूँ and I can make the various settings. From save as, I do have 3 formats to save. In whatever format you want to save, you can save it and put in the panel. Then we have the laser pen as well. Laser pen will disappear after few seconds. So just for highlighting the things without making the changes in the documents. So this could be used. Then we have an option for the shape pen and text pen as well. So if I'll write anything roughly, it will automatically give it a precise text. So this is how the things could be done, this interactive flat panel. So these are the AI features which are there with us in the latest panel, that is RK3576 chipset. From here you can insert the videos as well. So if you have some saved videos in your panel, so that could be inserted like this. You can just zoom in, you can just zoom out, and if you want to make the video visible to the students, you can just take the window like this. So this could be done. So side by side you can play the video and you can write on the whiteboard itself. Then from the toolbox only, you can insert the images, you can insert the tables, you can insert the mind map. So a lot of options are there for Gladwin users who are taking this interactive flat panel, which comes with Android 16.0 version with RK3576 chipset. Before ending the video, I'll just give you the quick view on the applications. So these are the applications which would be inbuilt in your panel. It comes with inbuilt camera and mic as well. So if you want to go with the model जिसमें camera भी हो और mic भी हो, तो आप उस मॉडल के साथ भी जा सकते हो। अगर आपको कैमरा और माइक नहीं चाहिए तो वी हैव दैट मॉडल एज वेल। तो इट्स नॉट अ कंपल्शन फॉर आवर क्लाइंट्स। जो भी आपका रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू कैन परचेज द पैनल फ्रॉम अस. So if I'll talk about the camera, it comes with 48 megapixels of camera and AI camera is there with 8 array of microphone and 20 watts of two speakers. So this is the hardware configuration. This is my camera, which is the AI camera. So this is how you can see the camera's view. Then again we have the Play Store, which is the authorized Play Store from where you can download any application and use it in your panel. So these are the application. You can even log in your mail ID and have an access of the mail as well on the panel. So this was all about the interactive flat panel. Not all, but all the AI features. Yes, these were the AI features. एंड इसके अलावा भी आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस इस पैनल में मिलेंगे जो कि आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिटेल वीडियो में देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू. एंड कोई भी क्वेरीज हो, कोई भी डाउट्स हो, यू कैन जस्ट give it on the comment section. We'll be getting back to you through comments.